What's up, my people? This is your boy Peeps Up. So we're just in bed, relaxing, winding down our thoughts, and then we decided like we need to basically create a YouTube video where we can inspire and motivate somebody based on trading, on how to conquer trading and be your own boss, be your own master. Because trading is the future. Trading, it's the ultimate thing. No, if you look at trading, that's the biggest market in the world. Like they throw in like 2 trillion every day basically. So the question you should be asking yourself is like, how can I be taking a piece of that 2 trillion being thrown into the market each and every single day? That's the question you should be looking for. So guys, without further ado, let's jump in straight to the chart so I can see you our basic overview of what we have on Nasdaq today and how we're going to trade Nasdaq and how we can help monetize or get ourselves some cash on Monday through the setups on Nasdaq. So guys, stay tuned, let's move in. So guys, so now we are in the Nasdaq chart. So we want to analyze it together. So basically we can understand what are we going to expect on Nasdaq this coming week. On the technical side, basically. On the technical side. So the script, it's what we do every day, basically, and I will keep on teaching it to you guys. And if you can see here on the H1 time frame, there's already something interesting happening. If you're vigilant, you're going to catch this move. For us, we did, and I will share the post because it happened during NFP. So it was a simple impulse correction move and then an impulse further to the top side. So you can see what's already happening on Nasdaq. So when Monday comes, you don't have to stress, man. If I can ask you, what are you going to do next day? It's just for you to highlight like your zone, which is going to be at this point, or your support. It's gonna be at this point. Without me analyzing further and seeing everything, I can already tell where Nasdaq will be going on Monday. So it's a basic setup here, guys. It's very basic. So from here, you push to the top side. That's where your first tip is gonna be. If you choose to hold, you can lock your profits and all that. But that's if I'm trading, that's where my first take profit is gonna be, where the market reversed, which is at this point. So one thing people don't understand is you don't need a big move. No, if you use lot size like on this move, you can bang a lot. This is my first TP, and you can see that the market now, it's gonna keep on buying because it's rallying. It's creating like a uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. You see where we are. You see how I drawn my trend line. This is a 30-minute. So when the market comes there on Monday, it's gonna give me a third touch once it touches the trend line, and I buy. We move. It's a third touch. So basically, I haven't done a lot, but look, it's already clear. Setup. The setup is already there. It's there for you to trade it. It's there for you to trade it. So when we come here, once we touches the trend line, we are moving to the top side. There's no negotiation about that. you are more confident that you have your support there, and you have a trend line. Once it touches, it's gonna be a third touch, and it's going to be a third touch on the trend line, and then you're on a support. It's only retesting, and then it's gonna move forward. If you can wait on the H1 time frame, and then you see the candlestick confirmation, and then you are more confident that this week we'll be buying Nasdaq. And trust me, Nasdaq is very big on buys. So guys, this was just a short video on how we'll be looking to trade Nasdaq next week. I thought I was gonna analyze the market like in full, which is not a problem. I will do another video basically, but this is the whole basic overview on Nasdaq next week.